How to turn on or off sensor and usage data on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down and go to Privacy and Security. From here, you can control which apps can access your data, location, camera, and microphone, and also manage protections. Scroll down to the end and tap on Research Sensor and Usage Data. As you can see, the sensor and usage data collection is currently turned on. Sensor and usage data is sensitive research data. Enabling its collection allows apps and studies you authorize to access important sources of information that are otherwise unavailable. If you want to disable this feature, then turn off the switch as shown. Following these steps, you can easily turn on or off sensor and usage data on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.